All right, intermediate algebra students, here's con number 2, solutions of inequalities graphical. So this time on a graph. Again, same type thing we're doing. Here's the coordinate point, -3, -5. So if you were to plot that coordinate point, for example, let's just take and plot this little coordinate point right here. If we went back 3 and down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to right there, is that in the shaded region? And the answer to this one would be no, it is not.
Here's a small gift.
Thank you. So then let's do one more here. Let's take a look at this one. Here is our coordinate point right here. -2, +3. So let's take that same dot we just had. And we'll go -2, +3 right here. Now, is that in the shaded region? Well, because this is a solid line right here, and we'll be getting into what a dashed line versus a solid line is soon, I'm sure. But because it is a solid line, yes, that is in the shaded region. And so that answer would be a yes. That's all you're doing. Plot the point, and is it within the shaded part of the graph? Yes or no? Good luck, guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.